Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Yzoni brand, the rechargeable LED spotlight, 360-degree handheld flashlight with adjustable handle and bracket. Has 3 light modes. It's bright, it could be a searchlight, it's water resistant, and it's portable phone charger also for camping and exploring. So what's nice is this has a spotlight and a cob soft light on the side. We're going to demonstrate. It has this nice diffuser panel on there that allows it to make the light softer. And it comes with a USB-A to micro USB cable and a little instruction sheet telling you how to do the basic operation. Now this is a power bank as well as a spotlight and a side light, and this is water resistant. It has IP54 level, and that means you can handle splashes at any angle. You can't submerge it underwater, but it'll handle splashes okay. The unit weighs 1.53 pounds, and it's all red and black as you can see. We're going to go over all the features on here. It has a battery indicator, 0 to 25% and 50 to 75% to 100%. And on the back of the unit itself, it has the power switch that allows you to turn it on and off. And then when you open up this back piece right there, you can see it has some silicone seals on there for water resistance, and it has the switch can go through mechanically and hit right there. There is your charging port, the micro USB, and there is your power port, the USB-A, and there is a status indicator right there. Now if you look at the side profile of this, you have this adjustable back leg, and that allows you to set this on various angles so that you can use it as a work light when you're working on your car or on any project. And then in addition to that, it has this button you can push right here, and you can change the angle of the handle pretty decent amount. It looks like about 90 degrees or more, and then it locks in place at the different settings. So what's nice is you can just hold it like that, collapse this, it becomes a normal spotlight, and depending on your application you can hold it like that, and it'll allow the angle up of the spotlight portion depending on what you want to do. Now operation is very simple. You hit this button right here, you hear a click, and the front bright spotlight comes on. Hit this back button again, and you have the diffused side panel that comes on. It's 360 degrees through this diffuser panel, and then you hit this button again, and it goes into this emergency blinking mode, which is nice, and that'll get some attention if you're camping and need some attention. Then you hit it again, and it goes off. Very simple. So to charge the unit, you take the included cable and you put it in any USB-A charger that's at least 1 amp. And let's open this up and show that. So you take the cable, you line it up, and you plug it in to the back port right there. Now you'll notice there is an indicator right there, and you'll see there's 3 blue and 1 red. That last red will turn to green when the spotlight lantern is fully charged. Take about 2 hours to fully charge it. These other LEDs become status LEDs, so that when you're running the unit, it will give you a status of the power that is left on the unit, which is nice. And you close that up and it all seals it. Then you have access to that switch while it's still all sealed. Now if you look at the front of this, you see it has a nice piece right here that does protect this section right here, and it has a clear lens, and you can see the LED right there, and a real nice reflective material on there on that cone. And we're going to show the pattern of this on my green screen so you get an idea of what it throws. We're going to shut the studio lights off so you can see that. So let's just let's first show we're going to use a cable and we're going to check the ability of this to charge something. So let's open this back up right here and let's put the micro USB, let's put the USB-A cable into the device. And now we're going to try and get access to the power bank capability of this. So here's one example. I have a mobile phone, and the mobile phone could be charged using this power bank. And anything that really uses USB-A, you could charge. So here's another example. Here is an LED work light, and I can plug it in right there. And you can see I have a charging symbol right there, and it gives me the status of the battery. So any device that uses USB-A, you're going to be able to charge the cable to whatever device, whether that's a netbook, a mobile phone, another flashlight, anything that uses that USB-A port is going to work with. So that's nice. So you go camping, you bring this with you for an emergency, and you could charge your mobile phone in the emergency. Now the utility time of this light, the front light is 1.5 hours on high, and the side light is 3.5 hours, and the strobe would be 12 hours for emergency use. The overall size of this is 6.4 by 4.6 by 6.5. It's made out of ABS plastic, and that's what makes it all water resistant and durable. It's a red and black color. So I want to give you an idea of the throw pattern. I have the studio lights off, and I have this spotlight right here, if the camera focuses, and I'm going to shoot it on the green screen. So I'm at 7 feet away, and it's producing a very bright spot, which is about, it's about maybe 9 inches in diameter. And then there's an outer ring on there that's all the way around, and that's not the focus, but it's still very bright in that outer ring. And it goes out really wide because at 7 feet it's producing a diameter of about 22 feet. So that gives you an idea of the actual pattern of this light. Now I've had this running for about 7-8 minutes, and you can feel a little warmth there in front, but because it's LEDs, it doesn't generate heat. They're just incredibly efficient. So if I go to the front of this, I get 73 degrees. So you can see that this is running very cool, and that's what allows these LEDs to last for 50,000 hours. So here I'm in my studio, and I have the spotlight a calibrated distance away. It is about 12 feet away from a sensor that is measuring lux. Now lux is not lumen, but it gives you an idea of how bright something is. And I got that spotlight centered on the sensor right there, and I'm getting 9.5 kilolux. So I'm on kilolux, that's not lux. So that shows how bright that spot is. That's very, very bright. And again, at about that distance, that was about 9 inches in diameter. So it's very concentrated, and then that outer ring reduces down considerably from that, but that's very bright, that spot. So here I'm in total darkness, and I'm in one of my basement bathrooms. I'm going to turn the light on. That's the spotlight reflecting off the wall. Now here is the side light. So you can see I have it right here. And I'm just going to set it down like that or like that. And it's a little nice light, and it's basically illuminating the whole room, allowing me to see in total darkness, which is really nice. So it'll definitely light up a whole large camping tent for a really long time, for 3 or 4 hours, and that's really nice to have. So what do I think about the Yzoni brand, the rechargeable LED spotlight, 360-degree handheld flashlight, adjustable handle bracket, 3 light modes, very bright, water resistant, and it has a power bank with a 2400 milliamp hour internal battery in there. I think I forgot to mention that. It is a cool product, very simple to operate, You're going to like it for emergencies, put in your car, you have a flat tire. This is excellent. Comes with the charging cable, and the unit itself works quite well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.